Well, welcome back to Sweden, everyone, and a little quick update here on this kapagen Tariel, the guy with the goats, kapagen. I've built it in a box, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 650 watt lights. And how to do this with one hand. I have a small apparatus here for measuring, and it's reading 0 watts, and if I plug it in, the lights go on, and hard to see here, 500, around 520 watts is it consuming. Got a spark plug from an old lawnmower, and connections here, and I only use a ground pipe, and that blue one goes to the ground. I connect it right straight into the machine. Also, I have put in some fans. I got one here and another one there. This one blows air in, and that one sucks air out. Here I have what's it called? It's like a dimmer. It's but not a dimmer. Anyway, we'll soon see it from behind. I have an old Variac over here, but I haven't restored it yet. It's a mean looking bastard. Anyway, back to the guy with the goats. I can adjust this and turn it. I'm turning it down now, actually, and there it goes off, and you can see the fans are still running, consuming 20 watts, and I adjust here. We get a little sparking, and there it goes. And the funny thing is, now it's 550, but if I crank it up, it goes down to, I don't have full brightness in light. I had that when I was using 120 watts of light, but I tried to connect another cap in parallel, and there went my light bulbs. They just exploded. But the cool thing is, I could, that 500 watt lamp, I could light that easily, consuming around 800 watts. So that's another experiment. Anyway, let's look inside the box. And we open it up, and as you can see, I have much thicker outer coil, and that's the kind of like a dimmer, but not quite like a dimmer. Anyway, that's it for now. More testing to be. The reason for the fans is that the transformer gets a little hot, and maybe submersing it in oil or something will help cooling it, or just mount coolers to it. and try to direct the airstream. So, still not having a resistor, but as you said, Randy, it's probably inside of the cap, because when I connect an almost 1 meg resistor, it just went nuts and it draws a hell of a lot more. But also I have tested with the ground connection, as Mr. What's he called? Jean-Louis requests. So I have a pipe here, and it's an old water pipe, and off in the distance I have a copper pipe going down about 1.5 meters into the ground. The only thing I can see with that is that it consumes much more power. So that's it for now. Sweden saying goodbye.